Hi guys, my name is Tabish and you are watching this video on Tashify YouTube channel. Those who don't know about me, I've been living in Sweden for more than 10 years and I've been posting videos on my YouTube channel which is called Tashify about Sweden and Swedish lifestyle. There is a lot of useful information for those who are new in Sweden or who are planning to move to Sweden. But most of the information is in Urdu. Now I have started to make my videos in English also because it was a lot of people who've been asking for that. So in today's video, I'm gonna bring you the information about used car prices in Sweden because I have many students, many viewers who've been asking me this, that what is the prices of cars. They want to do the business here in Sweden because they have been doing selling the cars in their own country, or I don't know why, but here is some information. But before that, here is my channel. Please go and check it out, subscribe my channel. Mostly you show the videos, make a videos like this kind of demos so you can understand even if it's in Urdu, or just write it in comments that you need those videos in English and I will redo those videos. Here is my Facebook page. Please go and check it out, and if you like those, please like and share it with your friends. Also subscribe my channel. Let's jump into two websites which I want to show you, which are the most popular website to search used cars in Sweden. One is the Blocket, and Blocket is not only for the cars. You can search anything on Blocket. It's everything from job to cars to products for home. Building means education, houses, to rent a house, to buy the house, personal wear, personal things, electronics, free time and hobby. So we are jumping into the Fordon, which is called the vehicles, and here within that you can say, I can translate it into English actually. Here you can see the cars, car parts, boats, and many other vehicles. Here you can select, actually you're looking in a specific city, or you want to go to any other the whole Sweden. You want to see the ads from whole Sweden, and here you can see there are almost 112,000 ads only on the cars. So if you go in a car, it will open up a new filters menu for you, where you can select that I need a car from X price to Z price. Let's make an example here. I'm looking for a car which is 100 and let's say a little bit more. I'm looking for X90. So I'm looking for a car which is 140,000 and it should not exceed more than 400,000. And I am looking for something from not older than 2016 and till 2018, might be 2019 also. It can show me something here. And then I'm looking for something not more than 6,499 mileage. It's a Swedish meal. One Swedish meal is equal to 10 kilometers. So it should not be more than 64,099 kilometers. And I'm looking something for diesel, I'm looking for automatic, and here I need something with four-wheel drive. There are some other filters which you can put, but here I'm not selecting those. So I have see that I have not selected any of the car manufacturer yet. I've been selecting only this criteria, and here are the results I can see. But now I can say, okay, now I want to see all the cars in Volvo with that criteria, and it will show me all the Volvo models here. And here, as I said before, that I'm looking for XC90, and actually with this price range and with this mileage and within this year, there is only one XC90 available here. Let's see that how it is and which one is that. So we go to that XC90. Here it is one. It is 399,000, almost 400,000. And if you open it, it's a 7-seater. The inscription I think is the highest in Volvo. And here you can read more about the car. You can also translate it into English, so you can read more about the car. The car is from registered, it's a model from 2016. So here you can see how the car looks like. And actually the best part is that you can see the nameplate number plate on this car. This is HFU041. If we go on car.info, so here I'm showing you how you should do your research on the cars. And what was the HFU041? HFU041. Here is a car, so here you can read more about it. It will show you everything, that when it was manufactured, when it was published on Blockit, and the whole history on the car. So you can read a lot around that, and you can also actually check the valuation, that it will show you what should be the price of this car to get an idea. So this is just one quick example. For example, if we go, okay, now we don't want to look anything in Volvo, we want to look something in Audi. Here you can go in Audi and it shows you that, okay, even in this price range there is something called A8, which is a very nice car. Actually, I like those A8, but it is from 2016, only 3000 mil. It's a very less mileage on this car with this price. So let's open this one, because the new one, guys, those who follow this Audi, they know how much it cost when you buy it. New one might be around a million crown. So this car is like, it's a really nice car with this price tag, 379,000 crown. It's actually a really nice one. And if you follow A8, this is the best top salon car in Audi. For example, if I want to show you something from Audi with no price, I'm just gonna show you how big is that difference. That car is good, insane, guys. We are taking away all the filters, and now I'm asking him to show me A8 and the most expensive one. So this is the 2019 model, guys. This is like almost a million crown. Look at this. When you buy A8, that cost this much. So this car which you are seeing here was like at that price level, like might be 3-4 years ago. So it's insanely good price. This is really nice car, actually. I like it. Anyways, I wanted to show you, this is a Blockit. So here you can go and play with this different filters, and you can search cars in Sweden. With these cars are sold by the stores or by individuals. You can actually search that I want to see the ads only from the private people, or you can see I want to see the ad only from the car dealers. So you can, and if you are planning to do a business for buying and selling the cars in Sweden, you will get an idea about it. I'm not expert in this business, but I'm just showing you so you can do your research. The another website which is similar to that, but that is only for the cars, called bitbil.com, sorry, bytbil.com. And here you can search. It's the same thing. You can go and search for personal car, transport car, motorcycle, mopeds, all type of different vehicles. And here it is. If you search the car, here you can select a lot of filters, which I just showed you in Blockit. They are similar to that, but there are some more filters which you can select here. Actually, most of the time on the Blockit, they are fetching a data from this website. So this is the main website. I like just interface of Blockit, much easier and much user friendly. Might be I've been using it. It's my personal preferences. I've been using it for a long time. So yeah, this was the information I wanted to bring to you today about the cars. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe my channel, and also check out more videos on my channel. And thank you, and pray for me. Bye bye.